My name is Elaine Wong, and I'm Professor and Associate Dean Diversity and Inclusion at the Faculty of Engineering and Information Technology, University of Melbourne, Australia. I have around 20 years of experience leading optical access networks and subsystems technology research. And more recently, my research group has been thinking about and has been working towards advancing these networks in support of human-to-machine communications. Now, at Chalmers, through the Genie Fellowship, I have the honor of working collaboratively with Professor Lena Waszynska and Professor Paolo Monti at the Optical Networks Unit and their teams on advancing some of these challenges that we're facing in terms of design, deployment of these networks. We're working on two projects. The first one is to reduce the communication latency between humans and machines. Now, one approach that we have taken here is to embed intelligence in specific locations of the network so that this intelligence can gather the information, can learn the information, and then share the information. So as such, then we don't actually have to process this information and then delay the communication between the humans and the machines. Now, the second project revolves around the integrity of such networks against malicious attacks or other forms of attacks. Now, in this case, the approach we have taken here is to ensure that we are able to detect anomalies, so unusual activities, but also to pinpoint the locations of vulnerability. I believe the key to the opportunities of being on a Genie Fellowship is cross-fertilization of ideas. And this is not just from a research perspective, but also from the perspective of progressing and advancing gender equity. As an example, I gave public lectures on what we have learned at the University of Melbourne in terms of retention, recruitment, as well as career progression of female identifying, as well as underrepresented groups at the university. Likewise, at the same time, I've been learning a lot about the initiatives from Chalmers, especially the Genie, in terms of progressing gender equity.